It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if there's no sound on your Samsung phone. So go to the volume rocker here on the side and just go up and down, and you can see the sound settings right here, and you can see this is the icon for just our general volume. So we can go to the settings right here and just make sure everything is up high enough that we have sound on. So there could be a couple different reasons why your sound isn't working once you have the volume up high enough. One is if you are connected to a Bluetooth device. So you can see I have Bluetooth right here. If I go to my Bluetooth options, I can see if I'm connected to another device. So I can just hold down on this and it'll say I'm connected to something. So you could be connecting to like your car, a Bluetooth speaker, or your headset. So you could try just turning off Bluetooth for the moment and see if your sound turns back on. Also, on my Samsung phone here, I have the option for media output right here. I can tap this, and I can see if I'm connected to my phone speaker or another speaker. So I can just tap between them. So you can see I'm only connected to my main speakers right here, and make sure your volume is up high enough. But if I turn Bluetooth back on again, I'll have more options to connect to different speakers under here, like my Samsung SP99, my P12, so my soundbar. So just make sure you're connected to your phone speakers right there, and you should be good to go. Also look at different options, like maybe we're connecting to like a TV or something like that. Try disconnecting from your smart view if you're connected there. We got the different modes. Now another thing that could be on is do not disturb. If you have do not disturb turned on, just turn this off. This is going to be silencing things on your phone. So you got that option right there. Now let's go to settings and then just scroll on down. So I have this app lock on here. So let's go to sound and vibrations, and just make sure your sound is on. It's not set to vibrate or mute. And then we can go down on here. We got system sounds. Make sure your sound is up high enough right here. Then we got our volumes. Make sure our ringtone media, so we were on the media before, so this is high enough. Okay, so this is good. Our alarm is good, so just double check all this stuff. Sound, quality, and effects. Separate app sound. So another thing that we can do is just restart our phone from the top right now. Just go to power and go to restart. Sometimes there's a weird glitch in your phone and it's just not working for that reason. So just double check everything. If you still can't get this to work and it's setting related, go all the way down to about phone. Tap this and we can go to the reset options, and we can just go to reset all settings. So if there's a setting that's causing this weird issue with the sound, just reset your settings, and then you might have to redo some stuff, but that should reset your sound settings as well.